Man, so today guys, we got a mod to do on the Camaro. I know I said I wasn't gonna be doing that many mods on the Camaro just yet, but I just want to try something, man. I ordered it from 717 Street Speed, man. I was just mainly just trying to show him love and support on his YouTube channel and everything. So if you haven't went by his YouTube channel, go ahead and check him out, man. He do a lot of car videos, truck videos, mudding, all kind of stuff, man. Go ahead and check him out. And also go ahead and check out damn, I put it up here. I put the name up right here. I can't pronounce his name, but y'all go subscribe to his YouTube channel and everything, man. I really appreciate y'all for the love and support, man. At 300 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, man. So go ahead and run them numbers up, man, so we can go ahead and do this giveaway, man. What's so hard about it? Go ahead and hit that button, and it's free. Go ahead and do that for me, man. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all, man, for tuning in. For the ones that is really showing me love and support, man, I really appreciate y'all. But we got a couple of mods today, and so I'm gonna go ahead and flip this camera around so I can show y'all what we got going today. This is one of the mods that I've been wanting to do for a little bit. So these headlights, guys, they are dingy, guys. Yes, the sun has cooked them up. I tinted them twice already. So what we're gonna get ready and do, I'm gonna go ahead and tint them again, and this is gonna be the last time I tint them, guys. And then like I said, I got the car cover now, so it shouldn't fade no more. But yeah, I got the car cover now, and so yeah, man, we're finna go ahead and tint these up. And I got the angel eyes on the way, man, for this car, and some LED headlight bulbs, so I can see better at night, man. That's why I really can't drive this car at night. It has the factory lights on here still, so that's why I can't just drive the car how I want at nighttime, because can't see shit, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take care of that right now. And plans for the truck, man. So for the plans for the truck, I don't even know if I'm saying that shit right. Plans for the truck is that we're gonna paint it, guys. Yep, that is right. We're gonna go ahead and plastic dip this thing, and I don't even know if I want to tell y'all the color just yet, man. But if y'all know me long enough, man, to be able to tell what kind of colors is that I always go with and what's my favorite color, y'all will know what color I'm going with. But yeah, man, so we're gonna change it up a little bit. I will be taking off that wing, the rear wing off. I'll probably go with another wing or something like that. And then yeah, man, we just gonna knock all the dings out, and probably not knock them all out. We probably just go ahead and, you know, fix up the rust spots and stuff. It's really not that bad. So yeah, so hopefully in the next 2 weeks, guys, I get the paint and everything. We're gonna go ahead and paint this thing up, and we got another car that we will be painting too as well. So y'all stay tuned for those videos that's coming, because yeah, we got a lot of content, man. So with the Camaro, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around. So with the Camaro, we got a little mod that we're gonna do today. I want to go ahead and get that out today, get that away today. But yeah, let's start this process, guys. I'm gonna show y'all after. I don't want to put y'all down and put y'all on a tripod and all that, because it's gonna be a long video. But yeah, I'll just show y'all the after finish. Shit, y'all, that shark is mad right now, real mad. That shark is mad. Them hell kitties better get out the way, man, because this shark is about to eat them little kitties up. Yes, sir, man. Y'all better go hide them little kitties, man. This is one mean shark right here. Tell me what y'all think, man. Comments down below. What y'all think, man? So it is now finished. It wasn't that hard, man. It takes time to do wrap jobs. So I feel for those guys that really does this for a living, man. I feel for y'all. But turned out pretty good. It's got a little spots that I don't like this one, that one there, that one there. Mind you guys, I'm not a guy that does rap and stuff, so it's not gonna be perfect, man. But you won't really notice the issues until, like, if you really up on it, then you'll notice the defects that's on here. But if you like from far distance, you really can't tell. It looks pretty good. I will be doing tire letterings, that way it can bring out the whole theme that I got going on here, and it's gonna look good, man. And then I might end up painting my brakes too, man, because I got the Brembos on here, but they came black from factory, so I might just go ahead and paint them red, and then see if I can get another ZL1 sticker on there, like a black one or something like that. Then I'll go with that. But so yeah, I will be ordering a new wing as well. The new wing is gonna go up a little bit higher than this one, because this one is a little small. And I might try to find me a carbon fiber rear diffuser for the rear, so that'll bring out that a little bit more. And what else, man? I think that's gonna be it for now, man. I don't really drive the Camaro that much, guys, so I ordered this, man, like 3 months ago, and I'm just recently getting my stuff from Inshane's Designs, aka 717 Street Speed. I know y'all watch his channel, man. Make sure y'all go and watch his channel. He got a lot of good things going on his channel as well. But yeah, man, it wasn't his fault. It was mainly bad communication, I would say, inside the warehouse itself. So now I'm just getting my stuff, guys, and I'm able to put it on the car, man. So Y'all just comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this new mod for the Camaro, man. More things coming. The truck finna get painted. Y'all stay tuned for that, man. Please stay tuned. The truck is getting painted. I'm not gonna release the color yet, but I will. I've been giving y'all hints throughout the whole YouTube channel, man. So y'all just comment down below. Let me know what y'all think, what color I'm going with on the truck, man. Let me know. And also, I want to go ahead and show y'all the finish of the headlights, man. So I went a little bit darker on the headlights, on my crossfire and everything. So it looks good. What I might do is go ahead and buff this out. That way it can look more clear tight. And go ahead and put them angel eyes in there, man. So I got work, man. I got work. Y'all just stay tuned for these videos, man. I really appreciate y'all. And make sure y'all go follow this channel here, which is my channel, Kings_Life or Kings Life. And then Instagram, Kings Life 2019. Kings Life 2019. Y'all make sure y'all go follow them. And I just made a Facebook page. I will be releasing that on the next video. So yeah, man, just stay tuned, man. I got quite a bit of things coming, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I know I'm looking a little bit crazy looking, man, today, but yeah, man, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So I appreciate y'all and everything, man. I appreciate the love and support y'all been giving me. Giveaway is coming real soon. I will be announcing the giveaway. You know, whoever won the steering wheel, and then y'all stay tuned for the next giveaway, man. It's gonna be a lit giveaway, man. So y'all just stay tuned. It's something that definitely y'all can use on y'all cars, man. So I really appreciate y'all. You might be the next winner. I don't know. It's gonna be a random pick. So I'm almost there at 300, man. So y'all just keep hitting that subscribe button for me, man. Make sure y'all share my videos. That's the most important thing, is sharing my videos. That way others can be motivated and inspired to do things on their own, like me. You know, I pretty much try to do things on my own, so that I, you know, I wouldn't have to spend money on getting these things installed, like the wrap. You know, I try my best to do it myself, man, because just for that job probably can be like $200 to do something like that. It's crazy when you just do it on your own, guys. So I hope y'all learning something from me, man. Just give me a thumbs up, man, on these videos, man. Let me know what y'all want to see different out of the videos. I'm thinking about doing something a little bit different on my videos. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to do, what y'all want to see. I definitely want to do drone shots, guys. That's what I love. I love cinematic videos. I love that, man. So I will be investing in a drone here pretty soon, man. That way y'all can get some good rolling shots and stuff like that. But man, if you in for the very first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you share my video. And that's it, man. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.